Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Today we are going to be playing with my VIP September digital papers, and we're going to use some sunflower stamps to create a very autumnal looking theme project for your junk journal, card making, or any paper craft project that you guys want to play with this. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Today, exciting September, where the time is going is literally time to put the Christmas tree up. Wow, September is coming. As you watch this video, me and Jamie are in Italy for our third holiday. Yeah, we're going quite a lot of time, quite a lot of times this summer. So yeah, we decided that it's all about family, spending time. So yeah, so we've been to Italy in May, we're going back in July, and we are now, by the time you watch this video, we are in Italy. So I will catch up with you guys when I come back, if there's any news about the house, etc, etc. So today I want to showcase the VIP papers for September. So the VIP lounge is a yearly subscription that I offer on my website. So when you join, for the month that you join, you will get 12 months to at least two digital papers collection delivered to your email address. You also get a nominated 20% off discount across everything on my website. That's including sale kit. And also every month you get a cheeky offer. Sometimes it can be, I don't know, another free kit or a 3 for 2 or 50%. I tend to vary them all the time. So for September, the VIP members get 3 digital collections. 1 is a full kit and 2 are minis. I'm going to start with the minis first, and then we're going through the big one. So the first one is called Fancy Stones, and I'll tell you the story about it. In Italy, there are lots of this mosaic floor, of course, without the flowers, and this reminded me of that. A lot of houses, especially not vintage, but houses have been built about the 70s, around the 70s, had this floor. So you've got the cement and then all these different stones. So what I've done, I have used the color on the stone. So the white on here, for example, I used the white, this terracotta, this navy, and this gray, and I created these flowers on top. So everything blend because the flowers have the same colors of the stone. Can you see? So you've got white, this terracotta, the navy with the navy, and on each one I then added an extra color that I thought would go well with it. On this paper, the flowers are this really nice lilac flowers. Okay, page number 2 is again really nice mosaic floor with some blue, terracotta, and some green. So that's the extra color. This like it's between a teal and an olive green. I think it's all blend together. Page number 3, which is absolutely my favorite. I do like the color combination with this teal bluish with the terracotta. I think is a really nice, interesting color combination. And then you get the burgundy and the terracotta one and this gray color. And then the last is this toned terracotta with again gray and white, and I added this dirty dusty pink on top. And I'm sure you could probably see that this pink and grey goes really, really well together. So kit number 1. So Fancy Stones. Kit number 2 is called Modern Fairy Tale. Modern because there is a lot of flowers, but like in a more modern way. So I have used these lovely fairies. They're so cute. Look at them. So cute. And then I build flowers and layer them on top. So you get 4 pages. So that with some tags. This is probably my favorite page of this kit. On each tag you have a fairy. So cute. So you get 5 tags the same and 2 tags the slightly bigger. So you've got the fairy and this lovely floral background. Page number 3 it's some embellishment. So you've got some clusters of flowers, and then I put the fairy on top. Oh, they absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then last is a black and white paper. I want to create something that you guys could use like this. And also what you can do, you can color it yourself. So I wanted to give you a versatile page when you can do what you want with it. I left the black and white so you can color it. And I know you can see there is a bit of grain here. If you get a pastel, any pencil color, it will color it on top. And then, sorry, this is called Modern Fairy Tale. And then the last kit is called Sunflowers Extravaganza. I'll let you guess why. Because it's full of sunflowers. So my VIP, the VIP papers I designed for my VIP members are designed to give you a lot of thing on the paper. So you get background, you got tags, you got gift boxes, gift tags, etc. So I'll show you the background first. So you have separate backgrounds. Love these. I'll show you in just a moment my favorite page. Some are quite busy, some are quite neutral. This is my favorite. What I wanted to do with this page is create like a little, in my head, it's like, you know, in the garden during the evening time when you got your fairy lights, I wanted to create this fairy lights effect, and I hope I achieved it. You see it? Nah. Yeah, so this is my ultimate favorite page. Some more background. Then you've got a milk carton gift box. So love it, love it, love it. So this milk carton, when you do it up, it looks like this. Oh, something has dropped. So you've got these ones, this 4 square here are the 4 square there. This triangle are those triangles here, and this strip on top will be this one. So when you do it up, it looks like this. So super cute gift box, so you can put anything that you want in it. You've got one page with 3 envelopes. So you've got 2 rectangular envelopes and a scallop envelope. A page full of tags with this gorgeous teal background, turquoise. And last but not least, you got an embellishment page with 2 pockets and a pockets that you can slip things on it. So very complete background. So you've got 13 pages in total. So again, I repeat, so you've got the Sunflowers Extravaganza, the Modern Fairy Tale, and the Fancy Stone. Okay, so I had a really good session. I have used, it's a favorite of mine, and I haven't not been using for a long time. So I thought, Gilda's got to come out today to play. So this is my favorite ever gilding wax. It's from Pebble. The collection is called the Gideo, and the color is hold on, because I've got another pack. I've got a brand new pot. No, so that's the copper. Oh, where is my silver one? It's somewhere here. I think it's either like something to do with Renaissance. Old Renaissance, Gold Renaissance, something like that. So what I've done, I basically put together the ephemera from the pack. So put all together the envelopes, and as you can see, I distressed them with the gold. I always think sunflowers and gold go so well together. And I like the contrast with the gold and the green as well, and the blue. I think as a collection, it works really, really well together. So yeah, so that's the big envelope. That's the 2 mini envelopes. Look how pretty those are. Well, you guys simply like fussy cut them and put it together. So that's what they look on the front. Then I also made up the gift box for you guys, so you can see what it looks like. So each side is 2.5 by 2.5 by 2.5 inches. I left it quite plain because I wanted to show you what it looks like. And this is my favorite page. It's the one with the fairy tale lights. Fairy tale with the fairy lights. And I just put a button there. And a button, paper button there. It's a closure. So yeah, that's what the gift blocks look like. super cute. You can put anything in there. Then I wanted to play with the pockets. So again, you cut it, you cut this on top, and what you guys simply do, you just slice anything. I mean, they're too big. It's this, yeah, I mean, you could even use yeah, stamps, anything like that. So you just put your ephemera inside. Quite like this one there, actually. It's a little paper clip. So yeah, guys, you can use you can thin anything in there. Little stamp will work, little postcard or photo will work. So the front is like this, and then the back has got the two pockets in there. I left it quite plain because it's all about the paper, so it's all about having an accent of focal point. And last but not least, I have made some thank you cards. So they're literally similar, because the paper, well, the orientation of the paper is different, but they're basically the same. So I just mounted on a gold cardstock, and again, love the gold with the green. And then this is a Stampin' Up! Sentiment. It's still a bit wet, so you can still see the glue picking up, but yeah, so layered with the green cardstock and the gold cardstock, and that's the effect. So they're literally all four the same. What I've done, the A4, I just cut it in half, and you get those cards. So these are amazing and craft sellers idea as well. So if you are a card maker, you just need to print one page. If you think how much money you're gonna save, because the paper that you just buying in a pack are quite expensive, so you just need to print the page that you want, and that's it, you got it for life. I left it quite simple because again, it's all about the paper. I didn't want to cover it, do any layering, any unnecessarily embellishment. So, and I was even contemplating to put some gems, but because I wanted the fairy lights to stand up, honestly, I think the paper do the work and it don't need anything else, which is really unusual for me because I'm a sort of person that more is more. But sometimes simplicity is the key. Wow, listen to me. Wow. Yeah, no, sometimes, honestly, sometimes less is more, but in this occasion is, but not always. No, honestly, guys, I hope you like these papers, and I hope you like this little project I've just shown you today. Honestly, guys, it's a really good value for money. I hope you will enjoy it. If you wish to join the VIP membership, you get at least 2 digital papers sent to your email address every month. This month is 3. Last month were 3 as well, so it's the minimum of 2. You also get 20% of nominated discount code that you can spend across the entire year on my website. And it's not year intended as 2023, but the day that you join. So if, for example, if you join in September, you got the discount code until September 2024. So it covers 12 months from the month of joining in. Okay, so you get September kit, October, November, December, until the following August. Okay, so you get 12 months worth of digital kits. The 20% off discount code, also you get every month a bespoke offer. Sometimes it's another free kit, sometimes it's one of the kit half price, sometimes it's a 3 for 2. It depends. I tend to vary every month to do something a bit different. So yeah, I will put the link down below if you guys wish to join the VIP lounge. Today, special thank you goes to Stephanie, and I will put Stephanie's comment on the screen now. Stephanie is one of my VIP members, so thank you, Stephanie, for your continuous love and support. And Stephanie gave me great feedback about the VIP lounge, as you can see from the comment. So thank you so much, Stephanie, from the bottom of my heart. Okay, guys, so I am offering a £5 off discount code to all the existing VIP members. They actually resubscribed for the 2nd year in a row, and I thought it's only fair that if I offer the same coupon code to you guys if you want to join. So yeah, so enjoy £5 off your VIP lounge. Add the kit to the cart and then add the code VIP5 just one word, VIP5 at checkout, and that will take £5 off immediately you subscribe. So just want to take 2 minutes to say thank you so much to Pamela, Rita, Eric. Yes, we have a guy. No, doesn't happen often, but we do have some guys in the group. So yes, and Martha, and all these lovely guys have joined in June, and it's so heartfelt because Martha, and I've asked her if I have the permission to share, and she gave me the permission. Martha actually bought the VIP subscription for her friend. So her friend, as a birthday present, so her friend, which I get, of course, I have a detail, will receive the kits, the discount code, and the offer every month for 12 months. Well, I thought, what is a thoughtful, lovely present? So yeah, just to give you some ideas, you want to treat yourself for your birthday or treat somebody else. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a huge big thumbs up. I know it sounds silly, but it really helps with my channel here on YouTube. Guys, I will put a couple of links on the screen if you wish to carry on watching. One where we've made a paper wreath using similar papers full of sunflowers, and very autumnal inspiring project. And the second one is a video that we made last year creating some fall vintage postcards using, again, more sunflowers. So again, a couple of ideas and inspiration what to create with these papers. Thank you so much for watching once again, guys, and have a wonderful start of the week. And until Wednesday, stay safe and well, mwah. Bye.